What's up, people? This is Joey Jojo back here again, and what we got here today is I believe it's a 2013 Tahoe with some really nasty wheels on it. But today we're gonna fix all that. What we got right here is called Blue Monster degreaser. I'm gonna show you how it works. Go up there. Get it real good. We're gonna get that one real good. We're gonna get this one real good. Gotta watch out, this stuff. Get a mouthful of that shit, don't taste too good. Look at that. This nasty one. Alright. The dirtiest one of them all is going to be right here. It's alright. These will look brand new when I'm done with them. Alright, so we got all that. So now, what we're going to use next, we're going to use our little Subaru pressure washer. It's going to be hard doing this with one hand, but whatever. Damn, look at that. Bam. All right. Nice. Gotta move the pressure washer a little bit because I can't get that back wheel where it's at. Alright, let's go. Awesome. Let's do it. Well, I'm gonna try to make this work. Fuck's sakes. Oh well. Fuck. It's not working good here. Alright, that should do the trick. Alright. And there we go, people. Look at that. Looks freaking nice. Nice. Badass. Like new. Hope you all enjoy that.